Welcome to Orbitform, where innovation meets opportunity. We help manufacturers by designing and building permanent assembly equipment that streamlines their operations and improves product quality. Whether you're passionate about engineering, manufacturing, or beyond, there's a place for you here. At our one facility in Jackson, Michigan, we offer a wide range of career paths. Whatever your background, you can find your future with us. At Orbitform, you're more than just an employee. You're a part of the family. We believe in supporting one another both on and off the job. With our intentional career growth program, you set the pace for your career. Whether it's on-the-job training or tuition support, Orbitform is here to help you grow. Join us and let us build the future together. Discover more at orbitform.com.